I ain't no rapper, B, I ski Uzis, and I can't act, turn down 3 movies.
Up from the 36 chambers, it's the Goose.
What up, yo? It's your boy Onslaught Tree, back with another episode of 16 Bars for you. Y'all know how we always start each and every episode. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go on down, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, if you like these videos, give those videos a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop in the comments what album you guys want to see reviewed next on the show. All right, we got another amazing episode for y'all, man. Killer Cam, Harlem. This album is called SDE. This is Cam'ron's second solo album. This album was released on September the 19th, 2000, yo. So what y'all just heard at the beginning of the top there, that was kind of a piece of the second track, but we're going to give that to y'all right now. We're going to get into it, man. We're going to give y'all some bars. This is off track number 2. This track was called That's Me. We're going to give y'all a piece of the verse. Verse 1, Cam goes, yo, I don't understand how these cats sip daiquiri like it's all good down at the Hit Factory. Be on 54th, whole click backing me. All that click clackery, take your wrist rappery. I ain't no rapper, B. I skeet Uzis. And I can't act, turn down 3 movies. So give me your chain, your jewels, and your cash. And your fast food, I'll eat your food fast. With my rude ass, carry 3 weapons. And I'll give your face a C-section. Keep stepping. Woo! Yo, this track is track number 2. This that boy Killer Cam, yo. This track is called That's Me. Let's go.
This time around, just can't live my life, yo. Y'all want to live my life, but Killer. Yo, I don't understand how these cats sip daiquiris like it's all good down at the Hit Factory. Be on 54th, whole click backing me. All I click clackery, take your wrist rappery. I ain't no rapper, B, I ski Uzis, and I can't act, turn down 3 movies. So give me your chain, your jewels, and your cash. And your fast food, I eat your food fast. My rude ass, carry 3 weapons, and I give your face a C-section and keep stepping. Who else in a hurry to murk? We kill girls, rape them, bury the skirts. Imagine me wake up 7:30 for work. I'd rather run the street 7:30 with work. But look at knucklehead, thought he want the order. Came to ask me, stop pitching to his daughter. Serious the man can't be. Be glad I'm not in that damn panties. Got a damn handy. How you gon' ever act stop candy? I'ma sell to anybody in your damn family. Uncle Tom, your Aunt Tammy, your grandmammy, your right hand man Randy, understand me. In the land I got an outlandish land piece and a matching land, desert color sandy. Yo, the one with the whips, that's me. The one with the chips and the chips, that's me. The one with the toast pants baggy, yelling out, get at me, nigga, that's me. The one who be running and dodging, you. The one that be sucking mad dick, you. The one that's scared of some yayo, always wanna lay low, cause your girl say so, you. I could show you some ice.
Yeah. Whew. So that was That's Me. That was track number 2, man. We're gonna move along into the album. We're gonna jump into track number 4. This track right here. You gotta peep Cam's flow on this track right here. Remember, Cam already had his first album, which, you know, he kind of said in a lot of interviews prior to this that this album here was kind of his real coming out party. So check out his flow on this one. This one is called Do It Again. We just gonna give you all the verb. We just gonna give you all the track. This is featuring Destiny's Child and Jim Jones, yo. Let's go.
One more time if I ain't have nothing else. That was one more time. That's fact. Yo, hey yo, shorty, get a desk and chair. Now the baguettes appear. If you knew my life, you might shed a tear. Where? From the fucked up scar to the tough luck bar. To my cousin fighting Chaplin in a crushed up car. A hero I be from the plural IVs. Capiche, a few cats tried to mirrorize me. Cause I drive a fresh Benz and collect ends, but I lost brothers and best friends. Word life, we all brothers, but we don't speak and ain't nobody budging. Cause we all stubborn, yeah, we let the hate rise. Give each other fake files, look back peripheral, give each other snake eyes. True and all sequels, you 2 4 people, guess they right. Money is the root of all evil. A nigga front on them, no, I'm trigger the M. I don't know, dig, it's just the type of nigga I am. I live my life for thugs, live my life for drugs. Fuck everybody else, I live my life for blood. So Lexus, Muffin, I got to keep trees near, cause blood's supposed to be here.
All them times we sung, all those crimes we done, all those times was fun. But would you do it again? We sung, we sung those crimes, all those crimes, all those times was fun. Would you do it again?
You're one of my worst fears.
Yeah. Woof, woof. Yeah. Cam killed that. So when this album was released, remember this was 2000, yo. There was some hella albums coming out around this time, man. When this album dropped, we're gonna do first week sales, y'all. This album, first week sales, Cam moved 73,000 units, yo. Woo. Woo. That's good. That's ill. 73,000 units first week. That's a good number. This album was also a really long album. Remember, this album had, was it 19 tracks. There was 19 tracks on there, a couple skits on there, but very long album. Album length was also 70 minutes and 34 seconds. So pretty long, lengthy album, all right? We're going to jump into the next track. Woo! One of my favorite tracks off of this album. This is track number 11. This track is called Losing Weight. I got to give you all a verse off of this, man. This is verse 1 off of Losing Weight. Cam goes, yo, when I was 11, got the toolie thick. My uncle pulled me to the side and he schooled me quick. Told me some gooey shit. You can't get paid in an earth this big? You worthless kid. Jigga don't deserve to live. Go and get it, motherfucker, if you murder kids. Bottle up carbohydrate and preservatives. He got hit up the same night, but ever since my dough, my flow, and my whole game been tight. Woo! I'm gonna bring that piece back. He says, you can't get paid in an earth this big, you worthless kid. Jigga don't deserve to live. Go and get it, motherfucker, if you murder kids. Bottle up carbohydrates and preservatives. He got hit up that same night, but ever since my dough, my flow, and my whole game been tight. Pun and pearls, your tongue will twirl. Look at here, booger beer. I have you up in hooker. Ooh, I have you up in hooker gear. I swear. I was doing Lex pursuing. Jiggers be wide like Western Union. Short like next to Ewing. Head for Trant, not only set, you ruined. Phony checks was fluent. Listen, hear me out. I'm from a cocaine block with some plain clothes cops. And the sun don't rise, but the rain don't stop. The pain don't stop, but my brain don't stop. And ain't no lookouts, the game don't stop. Every month you change your locks, change your spot, get a little smart, wanna change your ooh, yo, let's get into it, man. Yo, this is Killer Cam. This is track number 11. This is one of my favorite tracks. This track is called Losing Weight, and this features that boy Prodigy, rest in peace. Let's go.
4 shots, 1 toolie, 1 eulogy, My mother and girl is smothered in pearls. When a nigga under the world. When I was 11, got the toolie dick. Uncle pulled me to the side and he schooled me quick. Told me some gooey shit. Can't get paid in the earth this big. You worthless kid. Nigga don't deserve to live. Go and get it, motherfucker, if you murder kids. Bottle up hypochondriacs, preservatives. He got hit up that same night. But ever since, my dough, my flow, and my whole game been tight. Buns and pearls, your tongue will twirl. Look at here, booger beer, I have you up in hooker gear. I swear, I was doing Lex pursuing. Niggas be wild like Western Union, short like next to you. Repent from truant, only set was ruined, my phony checks are fluent. Listen, hear me out. I'm from a cocaine block with some plainclothes cops, and the sun don't rise, but the rain don't stop. The pain don't stop, but my brain don't stop. And no lockouts, the game don't stop. Every month you change your locks, change your spot. Get a little smart, wanna change your tops, rearrange your rocks. Look, game your friends money. Yeah, Benz arrange money. Have a Benz arrange money. But if I get knocked, I ain't got no bail. But I come home on the weekends, Pablo jail. See, I came a long way. That's living the wrong way. That's sniffing a Ponye, that's sipping on Cognac. Hey, you wanna be a star? You have your own day where they play ball, drink, and get a buzz. Reminiscing what a good kid he was. I don't know what happened. All he did was what he loved. That's when you opposing me. Killer, get the rosary. Fuck this rap shit. I die for mine,
I
motherfucker.
feel like I'm losing weight. Why I ain't got no money if I'm moving weight? My life based upon what I'ma do today. Why I can't move away? Just looting me without the scrutiny. Niggas screwing me, 2 and 3, true and 6. 4 shots, 1 Thule G, 1 eulogy. Make sure my mother and girls smothered in pearls. When a nigga under the world, yap around, y'all.
Like a losing weight. Yo, rest in peace, Prodigy, man. Shout out to Prodigy. Shout out to Mobb Deep. What you just heard there was Losing Weight featuring Prodigy. Like I said, 2000 was a heavy year for album releases, yo. Releasing your album in 2000 wasn't an easy feat, yo. There was a lot of good stuff coming out. Let me give y'all a few albums. Just a few. There was tons of albums that came out in 2000. Let me just give y'all a few. So, The Lox dropped We Are the Streets in 2000. Ghostface Killer dropped Supreme Clientele in 2000. Beanie Siegel, that Broad Street bully, he dropped The Truth in 2000. Lil' Kim dropped her Notorious K.I.M., her second album, in 2000. The Wu-Tang Clan dropped the W album in 2000. And that boy Hova, Jay-Z, Rockefeller General dropped the Dynasty in 2000 as well. So 2000, man, listen, whew, a whole staple of amazing albums in 2000, man. So let's move on, man. We're going to move into track number 13. I'm sorry. We're going to move into track number 12. We're going to give y'all the title. This is the title track of the album SDE, which stands for Sports, Drugs, and Entertainment. So we're going to give you all a piece of this track. This is the title track of the album SDE, Sports, Drugs, Entertainment. It's your boy Cam'ron. Let's go.
Street to the shortstop. Either you're slinging crack rock or you got a wicked jump shot. Come straight to the shortstop. Either you're slinging crack rock or you got a wicked jump shot.
Hey yo, coming back home, I thought it'd be cool, but everybody like, Cam, yo, I thought you in school. Now I'm about to go back, know that I'm lying. See me on Broadway, know what I'm buying. Niggas getting money, know what I'm eyeing. Shiesty again, nowhere without iron. Seem like my school life self-destroyed. Fuck getting a job, bitch, self-employed. Slugs pop, drug spot, running the thing. Play ball on the weekend, 300 a game. To one of the workers caught a small case. Mouth running like a dog race, trying to get us all laced. I was slinging, but wasn't the kingpin. A slow casing, verdict, probation. Tried to fuck my P.O., she ignored that. Said, know what, Cam? Get found with more crack. See what happened, stop the cracking. Started rapping, quit the clapping.
Come straight to the shortstop. Either you're slinging crack rock or you got a wicked jump shot.
All right, there you have it, SDE, man. So, like I said earlier in the show, this is Cam's second album. His first album was Confessions of Fire. And Confessions of Fire is a pretty tough album, too. I like that album. But there's been a lot of interviews that Cam has done, and even recently, he said that this album really was his real coming out party. Like, the album that he had prior to this, Confessions of Fire, he said in some interviews that he really didn't have all of the creative control on that album. And this album is where he really had real creative control. He wanted to do whatever he wanted to do, and he was able to do whatever he wanted to do on this album. So this is kind of, like he says, the beginning of Cam'ron, this album right here. But those right there, 11 Losing Weight, 12 SDE, We're going to go into track number 13. Cam put 3 of the hardest tracks back to back to back on this album. I don't know if he did that on purpose, but we're going to move into the next track number 13. This is another banger. This track is called What Means the World to You. And again, peep Cam's flow on this. I'm going to give y'all a verse off of this. I'm going to give y'all verse 1 of this track right here, track number 13. Cam goes, yo, what means the world to you? Cause money mean the world to me. I'ma shine for the world to see. Pearl the V, twirl the key. F, kick back and twirl the weed. Ma, wanna roll top with a top gun? Hot one, done pop one. Scrub, not one. Wanna ride shotgun. Wanna shoot shotguns. And I got hot ones. But I want a chick that'll hop on a stick with a promo. Yo, listen. Peep Cam's flow on this track right here. Peep the production on this track. This track is called What Means the World to You. What Means the World to You. Track number 13. Killer Cam. Let's go.
Killer dog. I'll kill you, dog. Yo, check it out now. Yo. What mean the world to you? Cause money mean the world to me. I'ma shine for the world to see. Pearl the V, twirl the key. F that, kick back and twirl the weed, ma. Wanna roll with a top gun? Got one. Thug pop one. Scrub not one. Wanna ride shotgun. Wanna shoot shotguns. And I got hot ones. But I want a chick that'll hop up on the stick. Put the pawn and flick, huh? Make sure my cum's going to lick. More sick, but screw that. We're my thugs with the hollow tips. Girls that acknowledge it. Polish it. After that, swallow it. Stand by, baby, where you at, huh? Raise your hand high. You don't suck what? That's a damn lie. God ran ride, my man ride, my fam tie. So I need a real chick, someone to keep it real with, someone to rob and steal with, someone to share my meal with. Instead they'll look at you and be out for your revenue, then even at you and she'll be blessing you, caressing you, starting that mess with you. But yo, it's dead for now, and plus them feds around. So girl, just some lift up that dress for now, or give me some bread for now. Talk to me, ma. What mean the world to you? My money, my dough, my hoes, my glow. What mean the world to you?
My money, my dough, my hair, my nails.
What mean the world to you? Some sex, some X, and a little bit of head. What mean the world to you?
Sex is sweet, but a cat who eat.
What mean the world to you?
Yo, that's my joint. Yo, so listen. 19 tracks on the album. Again, very lengthy album. 70 minutes plus on this album, yo. We gonna jump right into rating of the bars. Let's rate this album, man. Let's go. All right. Rating of the bars time. All right, so let's get into it, man. Listen, I'm a big fan of Confessions of Fire. I think that album was an amazing album. And coming into this album, first of all, the length of this album is hefty. This album is 70 minutes plus. So it's 70 minutes and 37 seconds of music. I do like long albums. I think this one was just a tad bit too long. Maybe Cam should have chopped at least 3 tracks off of this. There are a few skits on the album, but he should have maybe chopped 3 songs of this album, compress it just a little more, closer to that 62 minute mark. But other than that, I think that the album length was a tad bit too long. Production on this album was much better than Confessions of Fire. I like the production on this album, and I also like the bars. I thought he had much better bars on this. He got a little bit deeper on this album as well. Remember, he did that song about bloodshed and stuff. His boy that passed away. So this album, I think, to me, was a little bit more personal. And I did see him speak in a few interviews where he said that Confessions of Fire album wasn't a lot of the creative stuff wasn't really his. It was kind of on the label, but with this album he got more creative freedom, and he was able to do much more with this album that he wanted to do. So I can see that. I can actually see that in this album. Features. This is Cam's second studio album. I think there were too many features on this album. Good features. People that I love. On this album, he featured, who was featured? Destiny's Child was featured on the album. Rest in peace, Old Dirty Bastard. ODB was featured on the album. Rest in peace to Prodigy as well. Prodigy was also featured on the album. Jim Jones was on there. Jewels was on there. Dipset. And even Noriega. Nori also even made the album. So a little bit too much features for this early in his career, but the songs that they were featured on were pretty solid songs. So this was a tough year for hip hop, yo. Remember, this is 2000, yo. The Lox, We Are the Streets came out this year. Ghostface, Supreme Clientele was released this year. Beanie Siegel, The Truth came out this year. Lil' Kim, Notorious K.I.M. dropped this year. Wu-Tang, The W, that came out this year. And Jay-Z dropped The Dynasty this year as well. So 2000 was a heavy year for albums. And for Cam to drop this late September in 2000, listen, man, that was ballsy, yo. But pretty solid album throughout. Do I think you need to have this? Do I think you need to own this album? Me personally, as a Cam fan, as a Dipset fan, yes. But for you, go listen to it. Go to your favorite streaming sites. Listen to it again. Let me know what you think. If you already have this album in your catalog, let me know what you think. Do you think people that don't own this album should own a copy of this album? And with that, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5, y'all. Yep, that's that. We're going to move into the final segment of the show, y'all. We're going to move into Bars of the Titans. Oh, we got a good one for y'all tonight. Let's go. Bars of the Titans. Yo, listen, man. This week, woo! We got EPMD, Eric and Parrish. Yo, this track is called So What You Saying. I'm going to give y'all just a piece of the first verse. This is Eric Sermon starting the verse off, and then Parrish Smith comes later in the verse. So, yo, Eric Sermon goes, yo, the employees of the year, we're back to work. I took time off while other rappers got jerked. Due to the fact they whacking their track. Had to go back and stack cause they lack the ingredients. EPMD and Scratch for that. Then had the ill Scratch. He comes in, yo, I'm the hip hopper plus the show shocker. Down with MD, yes, the microphone doctor. One wrecks, the other destroys. And if you think you're ready for mess, kill the noise. We don't play when it's time to slay. I get a cut from my homie, yo, then I lay back and mac and all the rhymes I pack and wait for a sucker to jump and then attack. Woo! Parrish Smith comes in right away. Parrish Smith goes, yo, well, I'm known to be the master in the MC field. No respect in 87, 88, you kneel. Cause I produce and get loose when it's time to perform. Wax a sucker like a mop and glow. That's where it's born. Yo, listen, man, yo. This is So What You're Saying. This is the group EPMD, Eric and Parrish. This is Bars of the Titans. It's your boy Onslaught Tree. We're going to see y'all again soon, man. We up out of here. Peace.
Every year, we back to work. I took time off while other rappers got jerked. Due to the fact they whacking their track, have to go back and stack cause they lack the ingredients. EPMD and Scratch for that. Yeah, I'm the hip hopper plus the soul shocker. Down with MD, yes, the microphone doctor. One wrecks, the other destroys. And if you think you're ready to mess, kill the noise. We don't play when it's time to slay. I get a cut from my homie, yo, then I lay back and mac and all the rhymes I pack and wait for a sucker to jump and then attack. Well, I'm known to be the master in the MC field. No expecting 87, 88, you kneel. Cause I produce and get loose when it's time to perform. Wax a sucker like Mop and Glow. That's where it born. Back the second time, put on a different assignment to do a sucker new jack who needs a rapping alignment. Cause I'm the cream of the crop when it's time to do a show. Girlies on my jock for my dope intro. As I glance at the double, K microphone record. Turn on my chorus, say a mic checker to the ladies and all party goers. Some call me P, another slow flower. Brothers on my jock for the way I hold a piece of steel. So what you saying?